Hello everyone and welcome back. So this is almost the final part of this discussion on setting and getting content from and to HTML, and it is time to exercise. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to look at the HTML code, of course, which I'll show you in a moment, and fill the missing part. I need you to write a JavaScript file, of course a JavaScript program, which will do the following. 1. When the page loads, when the page is ready, add a school name inside the div with an ID school name. So we have a div with an ID school name and it's empty, and once the page loads, add a school name inside the div with that ID school name. So the school name could be anything that comes in your head. It could be UNISA, that's the University of South Africa. It could be UP University of Pretoria, could be VET or VAL, or it could be TUT, it could be any college, that really anything, any school that you know. The second and the last is when the user clicks the button, show each value entered or selected by the user inside the console. So here you are going to use the Mozilla Web Console and show each value that the user has entered in the form. So again, look at the code first, write your solution. If your program doesn't work, watch the next video where I write the solution. But please don't be lazy and go watching the solution before you start trying this problem yourself. Here's the code that make up our form. And so what I've done is created a form here. You can see the form object start right here and it ends here. And inside that form, I've created an empty div with the ID school name. And of course, according to the exercise, this is where when the page loads, of course, you need to enter any school name of your choice, really. And here we have the username, city name, the password, and then the user is going to actually select the province where they come from. So for the sake of space here, I've only created about 5 options here. So I've only set up 5 options, which is KwaZulu-Natal, Gauteng, Limpopo, the Eastern Cape, and the Mpumalanga province. But you are welcome to actually exercise and put in more provinces that you know in South Africa or in any other country. This is just for exercise purpose. And after the selection of the province, the user can actually click on the button. And when they click on the button, as far as our exercise is concerned, we need to write in the console, of course, we need to show the value, whatever the username is entered, the value of the city, if it was Pretoria or Johannesburg, Durban, Cape Town, or any city that they've entered. And the password which they've also entered will be collected from there. And of course, the province which they have selected. So all this will happen after the click of the button. So I'll show you the HTML. Okay. So this is the HTML that I wrote in case you wanna look it up from here. So this is a page called exercise.html, which you're welcome to also create. And this is our school name div, which is empty. When the page load, we're just gonna input some values here, and you could say something like I said earlier, UNISA, Pretoria University, TUT, VAL, University of KwaZulu-Natal, anything that comes in your head. All right, so and again here the user enters a value for the name, a value for the city, the password, and they select the province. So if you want to see this inside the browser, let me just quickly go to the browser and show you how that looks like. I'll go to my folder right here and I'll go to settings. So here's the exercise.html file. So I'll just open it up, and now you can see this is where the user enters the name, the city, the password. Of course, it's going to be a password, and they select one of those provinces listed there, and they click. So once they click, we want to show in the console all the values that were collected there. So good luck, go ahead and start this. If it does not work when you finish, please you can go ahead and watch the solution, but I'm going to advise that you go to the previous videos where I taught you how to collect and display values, and see exactly where you went wrong. If nothing works, you're welcome to watch my next video where I discuss the solution step by step. Thank you for watching. So what you can do now is basically go ahead, stop this video, look at the code, type it, and work on the exercise. Thank you for watching.